Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from our bodies, regulating blood pressure, and producing hormones that control red blood cell production. However, factors like poor diet, dehydration, and certain medical conditions can put a strain on these essential organs. Incorporating certain beverages into your nightly routine may help support kidney function and promote overall renal health. Let's discuss the top 11 bedtime drinks that help repair your kidneys. Number 1. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a good source of some vitamins and antioxidants. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, PACs, which prevent certain bacteria, particularly E. coli, from sticking to the walls of the bladder and potentially traveling up to the kidneys, causing infections. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, if left untreated, can sometimes lead to kidney infections. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of cranberry juice can significantly reduce the incidence of UTIs, which in turn helps protect the kidneys from infection-related damage. Another study published in the National Institutes of Health Journal of Urology found that daily cranberry juice consumption reduced the risk of UTIs in women with a history of them. The recommended dosage for cranberry juice for UTI prevention is generally around 1 cup, 240 milliliters, diluted with water per day. This is because cranberry juice can be quite tart and acidic. Excessive consumption, especially undiluted, can irritate the stomach and may worsen heartburn or reflux in some people. Cranberry juice can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners like warfarin. If you take any medications, it's always best to consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of cranberry juice. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon water can be a refreshing drink that contributes to hydration, and the presence of citric acid might offer some benefits for preventing kidney stones. Lemons contain citric acid, which can be helpful in preventing kidney stones. Studies suggest citric acid helps by binding to calcium in urine, making it less likely to form crystals that can clump together and create stones. A small study published in the Journal of Urology found that lemonade consumption increased urine citrate levels and might be helpful in preventing calcium stones. Lemon water is mostly water, and staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including your kidneys. Kidneys filter waste products from your blood, and proper hydration helps them function more efficiently. The Mayo Clinic recommends drinking enough fluids throughout the day so that your urine is pale yellow and you urinate about every 2 to 4 hours. There's no specific recommended amount of lemon water for kidney health. However, moderation is key. Drinking a glass, 240 milliliters, of lemon water diluted with water throughout the day is generally safe for most people. Number 3. Herbal teas. Most herbal teas are caffeine-free, unlike black tea or green tea. This means they are less likely to dehydrate you. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney function, as their job is to filter waste products from your blood. When you're well hydrated, the kidneys can function more efficiently. A study published in the American Journal of Physiology found that adequate hydration increased renal blood flow and glomerular filtration rate, GFR, which are important markers of kidney function. Let's discuss some herbal teas. Dandelion tea. Dandelion leaves are natural diuretics, which means they increase urine output. This can help flush out toxins from the kidneys. However, more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness specifically for kidneys. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea contains hibiscus acid, which some studies suggest might help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a risk factor for kidney disease. It's important to note that these studies are generally small and more research is needed. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Hypertension found that hibiscus consumption resulted in a moderate reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Number 4. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk is a golden beverage made with turmeric and milk. Turmeric milk may support kidney health when consumed at bedtime due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect them from oxidative stress, which are common factors in kidney damage. Studies have shown that curcumin can help improve kidney function. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that curcumin supplementation reduced markers of inflammation and oxidative stress in patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Another study in nephrology dialysis transplantation indicated that curcumin could help slow the progression of CKD by modulating inflammatory pathways. The recommended dosage of turmeric milk for kidney health is typically 1 cup, about 240 milliliters, before bed. This usually contains about half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. To enhance the absorption of curcumin, black pepper is often added to the mixture as it contains piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. While turmeric milk is generally safe, however, high doses of turmeric can cause gastrointestinal issues such as stomach upset, nausea, and diarrhea. Additionally, turmeric can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes medications. Number 5. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Consuming tart cherry juice at bedtime may aid in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, which are crucial factors in maintaining kidney function and preventing damage. Tart cherries contain high levels of anthocyanins and flavonoids, which have been shown to provide protective effects against oxidative damage in various organs, including the kidneys. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that tart cherry juice can significantly reduce markers of inflammation and oxidative stress. Another research article in Nutrients highlighted that these antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, thereby preventing cellular damage and promoting overall kidney health. The recommended dosage of tart cherry juice for potential kidney benefits typically ranges from 8 to 12 ounces, about 240 to 360 milliliters per day. Drinking a serving at bedtime can help maximize its benefits as the body undergoes repair processes during sleep. Tart cherry juice, while good, can be acidic and cause stomach upset or diarrhea. It also has natural sugars, so watch out if you have diabetes or monitor your sugar intake. Drinking too much can lead to weight gain. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Consuming apple cider vinegar, ACV, at bedtime might help detoxify the kidneys and promote better urinary tract health. ACV contains acetic acid, which has been shown to have antibacterial properties that can help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. These infections, if recurrent, can harm the kidneys. Additionally, ACV has antioxidant properties that can help reduce oxidative stress, a factor that can contribute to kidney damage. Research published in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research suggests that the acetic acid in ACV can help dissolve kidney stones, thereby aiding in kidney function and preventing further complications. Another study in pharmacognosy research highlights the potential of ACV in lowering blood pressure and blood sugar levels, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. The recommended dosage of ACV is typically 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, diluted in a large glass of water per day. Drinking this mixture before bedtime can help ensure that the kidneys function optimally overnight, aiding in detoxification and reducing the likelihood of stone formation. Remember, ACV is highly acidic and can cause stomach discomfort or esophageal irritation if not properly diluted. It can also erode tooth enamel over time due to its acidity. Additionally, excessive intake of ACV can lead to lowered potassium levels and bone density issues. Number 7. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice can be beneficial due to its high water content and diuretic properties. Watermelon is over 90% water, which helps flush out toxins from the kidneys and promotes better urine flow. This diuretic effect can help reduce the risk of kidney stones and support overall kidney function by preventing the buildup of harmful substances. Watermelon contains antioxidants such as lycopene and vitamin C, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, lycopene has been shown to have protective effects against kidney damage by combating oxidative stress. Additionally, the natural sugars in watermelon provide a gentle source of hydration without the risk of excessive calorie intake, which is important for maintaining kidney health. The recommended dosage of watermelon juice is about 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 480 milliliters per day. Drinking it at bedtime can help ensure that the kidneys are well hydrated overnight, promoting efficient detoxification and reducing the likelihood of kidney stone formation. Number 8. Beet juice. Beet juice is rich in nutrient content and detoxifying properties. Beets are high in antioxidants and contain compounds like betaine, which help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. These properties can support kidney function by preventing damage from free radicals and reducing the risk of chronic kidney disease. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Experimental Nephrology found that the antioxidants in beet juice help improve renal function by enhancing the body's natural detoxification processes. Betaine, in particular, has been shown to support kidney health by protecting the kidneys from harmful toxins and improving overall metabolic function. The recommended dosage of beet juice for potential kidney benefits is about 1 cup, 240 milliliters, per day. Drinking beet juice at bedtime can help maximize its detoxifying effects during the night, as the body undergoes repair and regeneration processes while you sleep. Beet juice benefits come with downsides. It can turn your pee pink, bacteria, but harmless, worsen kidney stones in some, and cause stomach upset. Drink moderately and talk to your doctor if you have kidney stones or are prone to them. Number 9. Coconut water. Coconut water has hydrating properties and nutrient content. It is rich in electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance and supporting kidney function. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney health as it helps in flushing out toxins and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Research published in the West Indian Medical Journal indicates that coconut water can help dissolve kidney stones and reduce their size, making it easier for them to be expelled from the body. This is attributed to its high potassium content, which helps to prevent the crystallization of minerals that form kidney stones. Additionally, coconut water has diuretic properties, promoting urine production and aiding in the elimination of waste. The recommended dosage of coconut water is about 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 480 milliliters, per day. Drinking it at bedtime can ensure the kidneys remain hydrated throughout the night, assisting in the overnight detoxification process and preventing dehydration, which can strain the kidneys. Number 10. Ginger tea. Ginger tea has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. These properties are crucial in supporting kidney function and preventing damage caused by chronic conditions such as hypertension and diabetes, which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Research published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition suggests that ginger can help lower blood sugar levels and improve lipid profiles, which in turn can reduce the strain on the kidneys. Additionally, a study in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine found that ginger supplementation could significantly reduce markers of inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which is beneficial for kidney health. The recommended dosage of ginger tea is about 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 480 milliliters, per day. Consuming it at bedtime can help maximize its anti-inflammatory effects during the night, a period when the body undergoes repair and regeneration processes. To prepare ginger tea, steep a few slices of fresh ginger or 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, excessive intake of ginger can lead to some side effects such as heartburn, diarrhea, and stomach discomfort. In rare cases, high doses of ginger can cause arrhythmias or interfere with blood-thinning medications, potentially increasing the risk of bleeding. Number 11. Carrot juice. Carrot juice has a high content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can damage kidney cells, so consuming antioxidant-rich foods like carrot juice can be beneficial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Carrot juice contains vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals such as potassium, which are essential for kidney function. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and can assist in flushing out excess sodium, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Research published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition suggests that antioxidants like those found in carrots can help improve kidney function and slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. The recommended dosage of carrot juice is about 1 cup, 240 milliliters, per day. Drinking it at bedtime can help ensure that the kidneys are supported overnight during the body's natural repair processes. To make carrot juice, fresh carrots can be juiced using a blender or juicer, and they can be consumed plain or mixed with other beneficial ingredients like ginger or lemon. Remember, carrot juice has some potential side effects mainly due to overconsumption, such as carrot anemia, high blood sugar, and gastrointestinal issues. Remember, this information is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any of these treatments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button for more men's health content. Until next time, stay healthy.